G'day, this is a warning for anyone that's seen videos like this on Facebook and promoting a product called the DroneX or the DroneX Pro. They say this is a fantastic quadcopter. They make stupid, ridiculous claims, such as it has a 3-axis gimbal and it does high definition video, fantastic shots and all this stuff. You need to know that most of the footage from this, especially this Facebook promo thing here, it's not from that drone. It isn't. It's from Mavics and Phantom 4s and mini quadcopters, racing quads and things. It's just, this is totally bogus, absolutely bogus. You are not going to get these results from this cheap ass little quadcopter. But hey, having said that, it's not a bad little quadcopter for the money. No, not for the money that DroneX Pro are asking for it, which is ridiculously expensive, but for the actual price. Because this is a machine made by a company called Eachine, and I think it's their, is it their 52 or 53? I'll put it down here, I can't remember it, but it is a machine you can buy from Banggood for a fraction of the price that DroneX want to sell it to you for, including free shipping. So why would you pay a jumped up price for this thing that they say is all fantastic when you can buy exactly the same product? See, you've got the same names on it. Look, see, same. And you can buy the same product for less money. And the claims made for it on the Banggood site, for example, aren't as hyped up as this. This is just, no. What's happened here is, and I've seen it before, there's also a thing called there's a smartphone that they're trying to sell by the same thing. They say, oh, you know, we bring it to you cheap because we don't advertise. But then I saw ads on YouTube promoting this thing, so it's a bit of a lie for a start. The other thing is that they say, oh, that was invented by this guy, developed by this guy. No, rubbish. It was manufactured, invented, it was designed and built by a Chinese company. It wasn't anything to do with anyone in the West who had a brilliant idea and decided that there were name brand drones and then there were cheap drones and there was nothing in it. No, they've taken a cheap Chinese drone that's been on the market for a while. They've decided to rebrand it the DroneX or DroneX Pro and fleece you, take your money unnecessarily. So if you want a drone that it's a good drone for the money. If you buy it from somewhere like Banggood, it's a good little investment. It's not going to be the same as the expensive Phantoms. You're not going to get the footage you see in this Facebook video. You're not going to get that. You're not going to get that. It's shaky and the colours are pretty washed out and it's poor contrast. Here's a bit of video here that would actually be from, you can expect video like this from that DroneX Pro machine. You can't expect the big fancy video you get from your Phantom and your Mavic machines that DJI are selling or similar high-grade consumer drones. Not going to happen. So I hope with the lead up to Christmas or whatever, I've saved you a bit of money. And who am I? If you haven't been to this channel before, my name's Bruce Simpson. I make a living out of reviewing RC products. I have a channel called RC Model Reviews, and I have a channel called XJet where I also have a lot of fun with RC products. So I'm not sure which channel this is going on. It'll be on one of the two. If it's just look at the other if you didn't see this one. So I pride myself on not only promoting the hobby, but protecting people who are going to make investments in products related to the hobby. And I don't like seeing people getting ripped off by people who take a cheap product, pretend it's something it's not, and then try and rape your wallet to do so. Oh, probably being demonetized. I don't care. The information in this video is far more important than any dollars I might earn from advertising. So there you go. If you've got comments, put them down below. I'm sure the shills for the DroneX Pro will wade in and say, oh, you're all wrong. No, it's a fantastic product. You're lying. Well, if I'm lying, take me to court. That's what I say. Thanks for watching, people. Hey, if you like this video, check out my back catalogue. This isn't my first video. Go and have a look through my back catalogue. You'll probably find something there that will annoy you, something that will make you laugh, and something that will just bore you to tears. But go and have a look anyway, and if you think this is worthwhile, subscribe. You can. There's a button somewhere. I can never see it. People say, oh, click the button. I'm looking everywhere. I can't see damn button or bell. But do it anyway, and then you'll get notified when I put out another video. Most of them you'll completely ignore because that's the way YouTube works. You subscribe to a channel, but you don't watch all the videos that come out. I understand that. But subscribe, and there may be more videos coming up, especially if you're thinking of buying a drone for Christmas, for a friend or for yourself, because I'll probably be doing a lot more drone reviews in the lead up to Christmas. You probably want to know what's good and what's not. And unlike other reviewers on YouTube, I'm not shilling product, as you can tell. No one's going to buy one of these after this little bit of video, are they? I don't shill products. I don't have affiliate links to the products in my description. No, I don't, because I believe the information is more important than making a buck by saying something is something that it's not and just making money out of people and their innocence. So there you go. Bye for now.